Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on repairing the Thermomix TM5. In this video, we will cover everything from common issues to the tools you will need for a successful repair. Let's get started. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need 1. A Phillips screwdriver, size number 2. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A Torx screwdriver, T20, for certain screws. 4. A soft cloth for cleaning. 5. Isopropyl alcohol for deeper cleaning. 6. A vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment for dust removal. Once you have your tools ready, we will begin by turning off the device and unplugging it from the power source. This is essential for your safety. Begin by removing the base cover using the Phillips screwdriver. There are 4 screws to take out. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently pull the cover off. Inside, you will notice several components. It's a good practice to clean the internal parts using a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. This helps in maintaining the functionality of your Thermomix. Next, if you notice any loose connections, make sure to reconnect them properly. If you find any damaged wires, these will need to be replaced. It's important to assess the condition of the heating element as well. If it appears burnt or damaged, it may need replacement. Now, let's address the motor. If the motor isn't functioning properly, it may be due to an obstruction or a malfunction. Check for any debris that may be causing the issue. If you find that the motor is indeed malfunctioning and you don't have the tools to replace or fix it, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After inspecting the motor and making any necessary adjustments, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the cover back on, ensuring that all connections are secure and that no wires are pinched. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, making sure they are tight but not overly so. You don't want to strip the screws. For those who prefer not to attempt repairs themselves, we have solutions for you. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your Thermomix serviced without ever leaving your house. No calls, no travel, just simple, convenient service. Once everything is reassembled, plug the device back in and perform a test run. Make sure to check all functions, chopping, mixing, and heating. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM5. However, if you encounter any issues during the test, do not hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. This ensures transparency and builds trust in our services. In conclusion, maintaining your Thermomix TM5 is crucial for its longevity. Regular cleaning and prompt repairs will keep it in excellent condition. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it helps you in your repair journey. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.